that is a 3D shape. 3D shape is also called the solid shapes. It has a 3 measurements: length, width and height. Can you able to see this figure? This is the shape of a cube. So see, this is the length of the cube and this is the width of the cube and this will be the height of the cube. Now this flat surface is there, no? That is the face of a cube. And this line segment between the two faces is called edges. And this corners are called corners, or you can say a vertex. Some of the examples of solid shapes are cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder, sphere. Let's see how to calculate the face, edge and corners of the 3D shapes. First, let us take a cube to calculate the face, edge and vertex of the cube. The first one is a face. Let us calculate the face of a cube. So the flat surface is called a face. Yes? So we will count the face. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. How many faces are there in a cube? There are 6 faces in a cube. Now, edges. What is meant by edges? The line segment between the two faces is called the edges. Now, we will calculate the edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So, there are 12 edges in a cube. How many corners are there in a cube? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 corners in a cube. Next is the cuboid. So how many faces are there in the cuboid? We will count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are also 6 faces in a cuboid. Next, edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. There are also 12 edges in a cuboid. Next, corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here also 8 corners in a cuboid. So both cube and cuboid will have the same face, vertex and edges. Next one is the cone. See, I already told you the flat surface is called a face. But see here we have a flat surface, flat face and we have a curved surface also. So there are 2 faces in a cone, that is one flat face and one curved face. Okay. Now edges. Is there any edges here? See, only one curved edges we have in the cone. Now how many corners are there in a cone? Only one corner in a cone. Next is the cylinder. Cylinder is having a 2 flat face and 1 curved face. So how many faces are there in the cylinder? There are 2 flat faces and 1 curved face. Next is the edges. See, there is no straight edges here. This is also a curved edges. So here also one curved edges and here also one curved edges. So totally 2 curved edges are there in a cylinder. Is there any corner in a cylinder? No, there is no corners in the cylinder. The next one is a sphere. Can you able to see this ball? See, there is any flat surface on the ball? No. So this is the example for the sphere. There is no flat surface on the sphere, only a curved surface. So one curved surface are there in the sphere. Is there any edges on the sphere? Is there any edges on the sphere, ma? No, there is no edges on the sphere. Is there any corners are there in the sphere? No, there is no corners are there in the sphere. I hope you have learned some of the 3D shapes in this session. I hope it is useful for you and thanks.